You come into the living room with a chair, sofa, TV, and a bench with some storage underneath it. Nice full-size fridge, stove, lots of cabinet space, a coffee maker, some little coffees, big sink, dishwasher, microwave, more storage on the peninsula, and benches. That's 5 bar stool benches. Through here, we have our bathroom, double sinks, lots of cabinetry, a shower with a sliding glass door, and toilet, additional storage here, closet with laundry, another storage closet, and then in the bedroom you've got a TV, a little small dresser, cabinetry, and the bed, and then back onto the patio or the porch out here. Very nice. Okay, and for anyone who likes to see how we are doing our sleeping arrangements with a toddler and a baby, we've all kind of down in this little central hall that leads to the bedroom, and we've got the baby going in the pack and play here, toddler on the air mattress, and we'll be here. So I mean, it's it's all really cozy and close together. But that's how we like it. And then, if you did have more in your party, the couch folds out to be a sleeper sofa as well.